Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mute original sound on TikTok video. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Due to the copyright of the audio files when you add some popular music files to TikTok video on your video, you cannot pause the video or find it mute. And now, what if you want to mute the video, the original video from your video, and you want to change to sound with sound on TikTok? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just record or upload the video that you want to upload. I will just record the video like this. So now on this video, original video, I will remove the sound of this video and try to change with the sound on TikTok. Let's hear it first. So now on this original video, I will remove the sound of you can hear my voice right on this video, and I want to remove this audio. How to do it? It's so simple. So now you can just tap on add sound. Now you can just see there is an option original sound. It's checklist. If you want to mute the original sound or my phone, it means my phone. I mean my sound. Sorry. On this video, you can just remove the checklist on here. Or maybe you just want to make the original stay but lower. You can just change on the volume. But I will just remove the sound, my original sound. Now you can just add with the sound that you want to use. It's here. Now you can't hear my voice, right? You can just tap on next and you can post it to your TikTok. It's so simple, right? So that is how to mute original sound on TikTok video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!